to make a quick video of if we can clean up our coffee maker with just a lemon. So I have a half a lemon here. I'll do it. Let's try first this way. Of course you can buy ready citrus acid, but let's try this way. Just half of lemon. Put that in, then we just fill it with water. This feels like 1 liter of water. And let's try just this way, that let's let it marinate there for a while. I think few hours. Let's try that. I'm not gonna squeeze them at this test because I don't want all the fruit flesh, what is called fruit meat, into the system. So I will just keep it this way that it gets some acidity into the water. So I leave this here for 1 hour and let's check how do we get the dirt out from the system of the Moccamaster. Okay, see you in a bit. So next step, 2 hours has been brewing there, the lemons. Next step, I will take off the lemons. Then let's put it on. So let's just add a little bit of water. So what I will now do, so we get now the acid water in the system, I will go into the half liter point, and then I will keep a small break and let it simmer a bit, like 15 minutes in the half point, and then I will finish the brew. Maybe it's point for some time-lapse video. Looks a little bit lemony. Okay, so now we're in the half point. I will stop it in the half point so the acid water is in the system, and let's take a 15 minutes break. So welcome back. We are now 15 minutes. And here you can see also the difference in the color. This is much more greenish than the original part, so maybe there's some dirt removed, and maybe the calcium also removed. But let's finish the program for the first run. So I will now run the other half to full and then check the end result. I think also let's time warp this up. A nice time lapse. Boom. I have to say, this is quite green. Maybe it's only the lemon, I'm not sure. Crazy how green that is. Okay, so that's the first run. Let's check out the results. Results is quite hazy green stuff. Now after this I will rinse this one, and let's go after this one, let's go and with just fresh water get the extra lemon. And there's also, you can see there's detaching this dirt, these small pieces. They're not all like lemon, it's also the dirt that is removing by the acidity. So I will now go through, we'll brush a bit here the container with just a brush, kitchen brush. And I think now I will go through and boil it like 3 times with fresh water, so we get all the extra dirt off that removed or loosen up with the acid treatment. So let's check it out now. 3 times with fresh water. Okay, that was the first run. Let's check the results. As you can maybe see, there's a lot of this kind of lint dirt removed. It's full. Actually, surprisingly, a lot removed, and it's really gray. Let's go with the second round. Rinse that pot. Fresh water. Like that. Basically, I think 3 times is maybe enough, but maybe do it so many times that all the dirt is kind of, it's fresh in the end. So let's go with the next round and let's check it out. Okay, so we're back. So this was the second try, second run. Still quite dirty, a lot of lint, extra stuff removed, floating around. Not very nice looking. Clean that up. And let's go out with a third run. I'm not sure if that's enough, or then I will run a fourth one if it doesn't do the trick. Okay, let's go with the third run. Okay, that was the third one. Not so much, but I think I will run it one more time. I think I will run it, yeah, 4 times. And after that, I will check how coffee is and does it taste like lemon. I'm not sure if the lemon coffee is what I want. I'll do a little bit with the brush. The lemon acid is still removing quite much off from the surfaces. Yeah, actually quite much. Let's go out with this cycle and then I think I will make the coffee. Okay, so that was the fourth one. Much less dirt. Pretty good, I think. Now it's time. Let's make a cup of coffee quickly and taste it, how it is. And I actually noticed that I have a lot of this Löfberg here. It's not an ad or any. It's not an ad. I just happen to have it because I bought it from Prisma. It was on sale, so it's just there now. So at the moment I'm doing this Charisma dark roast blend. I think it's pretty okay. Let's add some fresh water, brew the coffee and test it out. If you can see, my amazing Shots cup, coffee cup is also in the video. So let's brew the coffee and check out what's the end result. That is ready. Then let's usually take it the milk. Let's taste it. Cheers. Taste fresh. No, there's no any lime taste at all. Let's add some water. Fresh cup of joe with a lime. Boom, 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 boom. Works pretty well, I think. Test it out for yourself if you like. Okay, this is the video. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next one. Okay, see you guys. Bye. And have an amazing Christmas time. Bye. Nice.